Hey, hello, good afternoon, everyone. Today, my topic is inductive logic programming based bottlenose dolphin optimization to fake news detection systems. So, in today, the digital age, the rapid dissemination of information has led to an alarming the rise in the spread of fake news. So, it is characterized by intentionally descriptive and misleading the information poses the significant threats to credibility of information source and the trust of the public. So detecting and compacting the fake news has become the present concerns as it can influence the public opinion, social dynamics, and even democratic processes. The traditional methods for fake news detection often rely on linguistic and statistical patterns, making them susceptible to evolving the tactics employed by the misinformation creation. It excels in capturing the complex relationship and the patterns with the structured data, making it suitable for tasks involving the increases interconnections. So bottlenose, the dolphin optimization is a big inspired optimization algorithm inspired by the social behavior of bottlenose dolphins. So it mimics their hunting and communication behaviors to solve the optimization problem efficiently. So this study challenges is the fake news creators constantly evolve their tactics to avoid the detections. Secondly, the variety of fake news sources and formats make it challenging to devise a uniform detection strategy. Finally, the volume of information generated daily necessitates the scalable and efficient detection mechanisms. The objective of this research is to investigate the potential of combining ILP and video for fake news detection to develop an integrated framework that utilizes the ILP to generate the logic rules. The third one is to evaluate and proposed method. To evaluate the proposed method and diverse the data sets and compare its performance with the existing fake news detection techniques. Literature review is the previous author used the deep learning techniques for identifying the fake news using the linguistic patterns and textual features. They highlighted the importance of considering the both content and the context of accurate detection. So another researcher is demonstrated the significance of analyzing the user engagement in assessing the news credibility. The proposed hybrid model is combining the linguistic cues, user interactions, and network analysis to detect the fake news. So another researcher they use the inductive logic programming for learning relational rules from textual data. They showed that ILP would effectively extract the structured knowledge from unstructured text. So their work demonstrated the applicability of ILP in domain-specific text analysis. The another researcher, the bottlenose dolphin optimization algorithms inspired by the hunting behavior of dolphins, they demonstrated the efficiency of video in solving the optimization problems. And also they used the fireworks algorithm inspired by the firework exploits for global optimizations. Another research is proposed the novel approach by integrating the inductive logic programming, which is called ILP, and the bottlenose the dolphin optimization, that is called BDO, for fake news detections. The best of our knowledge, the combination of ILP logic rules learning capabilities with BDO optimization efficiency has not been explored in fake news detections. The methodology is there are the research flows is the data pre-processing, inductive logic programming, and bottleness dolphin optimization, hybrid framework integration, and fake news detections. Then That fake news detections, the following steps can be taken. So the text analysis, fact checking, contextual analysis, and source reputation. In text analysis is the language used in the headlines. Look for the exaggerated claims, emotionally charged words, or speculative statements that leak credible sources. Fact checking is verify the claim by checking the reputable sources or scientific studies. In the first headline, if no credible scientific sources confirm the breakthrough, the cure, it might be considered suspicious. Contextual analysis is considered the context in which the news is presented. If the lack of details or expert quotes or supporting evidence, it raises the concern about the credibility of the news. The source reputation is check the credibility of the news source. Established and reputable news organization are more likely to provide accurate information. The resultant discussions here they use the parameter settings is ILP maximum iteration is 100, ILP minimum confidence is 0.75. So the minimum support is 0.05. So BDO population size is 50. BDO the maximum iteration is 200. BDO scaling factor is 0.5 and BDO convergence threshold 0.0001. So this is called the result and discussion part. We use the accuracy of training, testing, validation from the previous model and the proposed models. So the proposed model is training a bit low, but the testing also is low. But verification it produced a higher result. The same thing with the uh, precisions of training and testing validations, and recall also is it showing in the validation is better result. Then F1 score also is scored high. So the conclusion of this rapid spread of information in the digital age has highlighted the issues of fake news, compromising the source's credibility and public discourse. So this research introduced the hybrid approach combining with ILP and BDO for fake news detections. This ILP and BDO framework effectively compact the misinformation. So by learning and optimizing the logical rules, showcasing the superior accuracy and efficiency. Its adaptability across the database uh, highlighted the real-world potentials with the further improvements possible through the hyperparameter tuning and application to sentiment analysis and rumor verification and opinion minings. Okay, so these are the references which we use for preparing these papers and studies. Thank you.